Take a look at where gold's been the past 2-ish months. Do you think it might stay in between these two red lines? If so, I think you're going to like today's Iron Condor in GLD. Hi everybody, Neil here again with Option Theory. I want to thank you so much for watching this video. Here at Option Theory, we put our theories to the test inside of simulated trading in ThinkOrSwim, and we invite you to join us daily. So, today's trade is in GLD. Of course, we're looking at the chart here. Try to speed things up a little bit today, see if maybe a shorter video might be a little more popular with the viewers. So, went ahead on over to the Analyze tab, go to Add Simulated Trade here. We are in the July 24th weekly expirations with 36 days to expiration as of June 18th, 2020. And we're doing a $2.50 wide Iron Condor here. And so let me pull this up here so you can see the strikes. We are building right over here. We have a short put that is at the 156 strike. The long put is $2.50, of course, below that 154.50. The calls, the short call is 168.50 and the long call is 170. And that gives us a 56-cent credit, which is a little less than what you would see in the email that we get from Tasty Trade. Of course, those of you that are new here, thanks so much for stopping by, of course. Down below in the description, you're going to find a link to sign up for whatever of the Tasty Trade email lists that you want to get on. I don't get anything from them. I just like their trades, and I use that as an opportunity to practice my skills, and I think you might like that same opportunity. All right, so let's take a look at our risk profile. We can see here that what we're looking at here, make sure that your expiration here is set to, or your date here is set to the expiration of July 24th. This light gray area, of course, as a quick review, is your expected move. So I'm not a giant fan of the fact that our break-evens are inside of that. So we're at a 51, if we round up, 51% probability of breaking even. Not the best probabilities in the world. But the good news is that if you get that email blast, you will see that the P50 is closer to 70%. What does that mean? That means that, you know, with the Tasty Trade approach, you're likely to try to take the trade off when you get to 50% of the maximum profit, right? And the maximum profit here is, oh, look at that, $57. All right, so half of that, all right, is going to be what we're looking for here. So call that 27, 28. All right, so there we are. That is good to know, all right? And we'll take a look at our maximum profit and our maximum loss. Of course, we always go into trades knowing what those are, right? I'm gonna right-click on this trade, choose Confirm and Send, and pull this up a little bit into the center of the screen. We'll see our max profit is $56. And we are looking at a $94 maximum loss, which tells me I did my math wrong. It's not a $2.50 wide Iron Condor. It's $1.50. Man, sometimes, you know, it's a wonder I ever made it through school. And I'm totally not editing that out. Yep, I make mistakes. That's part of being me. All right, everybody, I'm going to click Send. And that's going to go on over to my working orders, and we will have an Iron Condor here that will hopefully benefit us with the continued sideways movement of GLD. Thanks so much for joining us. If you're interested, please consider hitting that subscribe button, giving us a like, and maybe even ringing that bell if you're interested in getting more of those videos in the future. So I will see you in tomorrow's final cherry bomb trade of the week. Happy trading.